Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today, and you're going to get a different version of me. It's the one of LaToshia on the run. Because honestly, between my business, between my family, between the social committee that I lead for my community, I am inundated with tasks and things that I'm trying to get done. And so today's video is going to be a short one. It's going to be quick, but I wanted to make sure that I had something for you guys, because I promise I'm trying to stay on task and get everything out on Sundays. So this video is actually going to be us putting the dining room back together after we did the hardwood floors. You know, if you didn't get to watch those videos, definitely check them out. You'll be thrilled to see how we were able to pull that together. However, today in this video, you're going to see me put my dining room back together. I'm not going to do a full tablescape setting, because honestly, with everything I got going on, and I don't have anything that's coming up that I'm going to be utilizing my dining room for. However, I'm going to set up some decor in that space so that you can see that. I'm also in this video going to show you some of the things that we're tackling around the house as a family. We're really getting together and we're doing projects. And this year, I can honestly say I'm really impressed with how many projects we're taking on. So that's going to be a little enlightening on some of the things that we're doing. So if this is something that you're interested in and you're wanting to see more of, honestly, lifestyle and vlog type, then definitely hit that like button down below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Like I said, it's the end of the school year. I've got work. I've got all these things. So anyway, definitely, I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're going to be participating in all that we've got going on. But in the meantime, stay tuned. If you have any comments that you want to say, don't forget to leave them down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. And then we're going to jump right in. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and we will see you on the end. Take care. Thanks. Well, here we are getting ready to get it started, and I cannot tell you how thrilled we are with being able to pull all of these spaces back together. The renovation of our floors took way longer than we thought, and honestly, the house was in such a disarray for such a long time that everyone is on board with like, okay, what do we need to do? So here we are. My husband and my son are actually putting the table back together. As you can see, it has links that go in it, and I constantly keep them in here simply because when we have people over, we literally utilize the entire space. So they're going to start putting the table back together. They've brought the rug back in. Now they're going to bring in the chairs. And then what we're going to do is we are going to change out some of the artwork, and I'm going to actually bring in some of the decor. This was really a blessing for the guys to be able to help me at this period, because I was still dealing with sciatica from when I hurt my back doing the floors a couple of weeks prior. So I was still kind of messing with it a little bit. It was still having a little tinge of pain, and but I now am going to decorate, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm bringing in a piece that I don't believe you have seen. Actually, I take that back. I think I have placed this in my office once before, but this is a piece that I typically keep in my half bath, which honestly, I don't think that I've shown how that space is decorated. So that's going to be something that I'm definitely going to take advantage of and show you guys in 2026. But I'm going to place this piece here. It is a little bit smaller than the piece that I normally have in this space, but I absolutely love the way the glam looks on this black wall. So I thought, you know what, let me give it a try and see how it looks. And when I put it up, I first questioned, did I really like it? But then I realized it really does look really pretty in the space. The next thing that I'm going to do is I am actually going to bring back in the buffet lamp, but I'm choosing to only use one this time. I typically have two of them here basically at all times. However, I am looking for something that has a little bit more weight. I think I want to switch up the look a little bit. Now I can honestly tell you, I pushed it a little bit by bringing in this tree, by myself. Even though I've been dealing with sciatica, I wanted to go ahead and get it in place. So I did push the envelope a little bit, and guess what? I paid for it later on. However, this was something that I thought, I haven't put this olive tree in this space. This is one that I actually got from Amazon, and it is probably one of the largest ones that I got, and I love it. And I'll link it down below in my LTK shop or in the QR code right here on the screen. Absolutely love the way that it makes the tree look finished and complete. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put some light to create some ambiance on this tree. And I love, love, love that lighting and what it does, especially as you know what's coming up later on in the twilight view. So now I'm going back over to the buffet, and I'm going to start to complete that space, and I'm going to bring in this vessel with some of those Mercury style balls that I got from Temu, and a set with the one that I put on the buffet at the front door. Of course, I'm going to bring in a bless sign, and then going over to the other side, I'm going to put in my extra large oversized white vase. I love how I'm playing off the colors that are in this piece of art that's on the wall. And then these stems I got from Amazon, and you'll find them as well on LTK. But I just think that they're just beautiful. They look so realistic. The colors are just a little bit of dark and a little bit of light, and they're just really, really pretty. And I can honestly tell you this is my second set. And I think when you order these, you get maybe 6. And so it's a really nice size, and I think they're 43 inches. These pieces you've seen before. I've used them time and time again. Nothing's new in this vignette space that I'm setting up. And so I just love that it's bouncing off the colors that are in the art, and it works really well. Now moving right along to my table. Ooh, when I tell you, I'm so glad this piece is back in its place, because it was in the middle of my living room, and it was quite awkward trying to maneuver around with this being in the middle of the floor. So I am really grateful that it is back in space. And how I'm going to start out decorating it is with an oversized tray that I've had for quite some time. I'm going to bring in some faux coffee table books and bringing out the colors that once again are in that piece of art on the wall. And then I love how this floral plays on the florals that are on the back wall. There's a little bit of that light color that one has in it as well, and I thought they were a good combination. This is a piece that I got from Haverty's, wow, gosh, quite a few years ago, and I use it quite often in my office, but I decided to bring it out and let it venture into the other spaces in the house. And then this sign says, "Be the reason that someone smiles today." And I think it's always important that we be kind to one another. And of course, you always know I'm going to bring in some beads to finish out the space. And the very last thing will always be a candle. The final touch that I decided that I'm going to do in this space is that I am going to bring in some pillows that I also got from Amazon, because if you've been here before, you know pillow covers are my thing. And so I have these. I've had them for quite a while, and I decided to bring them in. And then, of course, we're going to light the candle to get that ambiance going on the table as well. Well, guys, that's going to be it. And this is the reveal. What do you think? Please leave your comments down below. I know it's not as in depth as most of the other settings that I do around my home. But when I tell you I'm enjoying pulling my home back together, you have no idea. This has been an insane project that we took on. And even though we absolutely love the results, it took a toll on us. And so we are literally to the point, every now and then you'll see each one of us kind of just sitting around the house and taking it in and enjoying every moment of the home again. And it feels so good. Now, that doesn't mean you shouldn't try these projects for yourselves. I definitely suggest that, but also take the time to just enjoy the spaces that you have. It's so important, and we have to be so intentional. So now I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. So until then, take care, and remember, be intentional.
You've given freely that holy water. Promise to honor all you are. Father, we thank you for all you've done. We're letting go. We're letting go. We lay down every burden. We know you will sustain. So we will praise you 'cause you're worthy. Oh, let your fire come down. Oh, let your spirit reign. Do something different that we've never seen. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Forgive our expectations of trying to box you in. 'Cause God, you're so much bigger. We're humbled here again. Promise to honor all you are. Father, we thank you for all you've done. We're letting go. We're letting go. We lay down every burden. We know you will sustain. So we will praise you, God.